Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will learn about dentitions of animals. Do you know that animals have different types of teeth? So, as different animals, they will eat different types of food. For example, in my slide, some animals such as lion, they will eat meat only, or lion only eats other animals. And some animals such as zebra, they only eat plants. And some animals such as orangutan, they will eat both. They will eat other animals and also plants. Therefore, the type of food that animals eat will determine what kind of teeth they have. As we have learned before, there are three types of teeth. They are incisor, canines, and molar. So, in this topic, we will learn what types of teeth that animals have. As we learned before, carnivore is animals that eat animals only. So, carnivore will have sharper canines than other animals. These sharp canines is function to tear meat. For example, tiger, lion. Okay, this is carnivore. As we can see from this slide, lion have small sharp incisors which are to cut food, and they have long pointed canine to tear meat, and also they have molar to grind food. So these types of animal from carnivore will have long canine to tear meat. Herbivore is animal that eat plant only. So these types of animal will have strong incisor to cut plants, and they also will have a big molar to grind plants for easier swallowing. Therefore, these types of animal which come from herbivore don't have canine teeth. For example, in this slide, cow only eat plant. So, cow is herbivore. Herbivore animals will have strong incisor to cut food and also big molar teeth to grind food. Lastly is omnivore. As we know, omnivore eat both. Omnivore will eat plant and also other animal. So, these types of animal will have three types of teeth. They will have incisor to cut food. They also will have canine to tear meat and have molar to grind food. As we can see from this picture, they have three types of teeth because they eat other plants and also other animals. For example, here is orangutan. Orangutan is omnivore, so they will eat both. They eat plants and also other animals. So they will have small sharp incisor to cut food. They also will have short pointed canine to tear meat and also molar to grind food. Now we know that the type of food that animal eats will determine what kind of teeth they have. For example, here in carnivore. Carnivore is animals that only others animal. So they will have canine teeth to tear the meat. Next is herbivore. Herbivore is animals that only eat plant. So they will have incisor teeth to cut the food. And lastly is omnivore. Omnivore, they will have canines and also incisor teeth to cut the food and also to tear the meat. So, remember, the types of food that animal eat will determine what kind of teeth they will have. For example, here, human. Human will have incisor, canine, and also molar. So, humans are omnivore. And next, herbivore. Herbivore is, example here is cow. Cow only eat plant, so they will have incisor teeth to cut the food. Next is carnivore. Example of carnivore is tiger. Tiger will have sharp canine teeth to tear the meat. This slide shows the animals that have changed their natural eating habit. For example, here is bear. So bear is omnivore, but it will change their eating habit to carnivore. Why some animals change their eating habit? So this slide will tell us why bear is naturally omnivore that eats plant and other animals change their eating habit. Okay, polar bear have changed their eating habit. Polar bears are classified as carnivore because they eat other animals only. This is because they live in polar region. Therefore, in polar region, they are always cool and covered in ice. So they cannot find plant because plant cannot grow in the polar region. Therefore, polar bear eats animal only. So when animals eat animals only, they are called carnivore.